Hey guys, running Kimono. So as I suspected, this is pretty exciting. Bath and Body Works is dropping their candles down to $11.95. And this isn't like 3 candles in the back of the store. This is like 3 pages of it online right now. In store tomorrow, it is selected candles, but my goodness gracious, these are 3 wicks for $11.95, and that is nothing to sneeze at. A couple times a year, they have it for this cost. And online, if you wanted to use PayPal or like a gift card with IBOTTA, I mean, make it happen. And I think when you spend $50, you can get free shipping with a code, and I'll share that with you in a quick second. Okay, so about 10 minutes ago, I just put my order in, and a couple of my candles were already like, hey, sorry, we don't have any more in stock. So I think this is going to go really quickly, because whenever their candles are this inexpensive, because the regular price point is $24.50 for one of them, when they're this cost, they really go quickly, especially online. But if you are more of an in-store kind of a shopper, tomorrow is the day to do it. But guys, there were 3 pages full of like all of the summer hot candles, and like it's a lot. So they're really pulling out all the stops, and this is in correspondence with their semi-annual sale. I don't think they've done this for the last couple years where they really drop the price of candles. Usually they'll do like, $12.25 for one, but at this price point, it's something to definitely work with. So the thing to do, guys, is really to get your basket to 50 so you could save the $5.99 in shipping. And the code for this is THRILL. As you can see, this is valid until the 25th at like 5 o'clock in the morning, or like closer to 6 o'clock in the morning. But as this evening progresses, I think online lots of scents will start, they're going to be out of them, because whenever they sell them for this price, it goes very, very quickly. And you could use PayPal, or you could also use a gift card if you have one. You can use Ibotta or maybe Fetch to get a gift card, and it is absolutely fantastic to get these candles at even a cheaper cost. I have been saving my Ibotta pennies for Bath and Body Works for this semi-annual sale, because it's amazing. And if you're in store tomorrow and you wish to use like the 10 off of 40, if you still might have that, absolutely do that, and you'll be like basically getting a candle for free. You still might have your 10 off of 40. And any candles that you get that you're just not too fancy about the scent, you can even exchange it at a later time. They have the most flexible policy that way. But it's just to get your candles in, and like for $11.95, that is a killer price point. Okay guys, so I just wanted to highlight a couple candles that I have burned and I really enjoy. The first one is Wildberry Jam Donut. It is exactly like its title. It just is a very pleasant, sweet candle, and it smells like a delicious donut. So like 5 stars for this one. Another one, this is my absolute favorite. It's called Blackberry and Basil. It is just an elegant Bath and Body Works candle. It is like the greatest notes of any Bath and Body Works scent in one candle. I love this one. It smells like kind of like a Christmas candle, but it has the freshness of a summer candle. It's like Christmas and summer had a baby, and it is this candle. I really enjoy it, and I actually got a whole bunch of these to gift them, because this is one of my absolute favorite candles of 2021. It is an absolute winner. If you're in the store, smell this one tomorrow. You'll probably really like it. And anytime I use the pocket back for this scent, every cashier and 5 customers ask me, they're like, what is that scent? It is amazing. This one, by chance, if you might be able to find it in store tomorrow, Firecracker Pop. It just seems like a really fun kind of summer candle. Unfortunately, I tried to put one in my cart and it was booted out. Somebody had bought all of the inventory, but it seems really interesting. I want to try this one as well. Now, in case you missed it, a couple weeks back, I made a video, tips and tricks, how to navigate the sale, just like extra little, how I've done it before in the past. Obviously, if you shop at outlets, you'll get bigger savings too, or there might be even more candles tomorrow. So I'm contemplating to go to that, even though I just put an order in online. I'm candle obsessed. But yeah, check out this video if you're interested. I will link this video in the notes at the very end if you want to watch it. And the last thing, in case all of these prices for candles are just way too much, the Complete Home, which is the Walgreens brand, a lot of their candles hit 90% off. You might want to check this out, or go to your local Walgreens and look for some candles. They have a lot of food candles, muffins, scones, berries, the greatest hits of it, you might want to check that out in case, $11.95 is a bit too rich. And hey, I get it, but I mean, if you're Bath and Body Works obsessed, you know that this is a very important sales day. Good luck with the sale, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.